Labubu, Labubu, Labubu. Say that in the mirror 3 times and let's see what happens. Labubu is everywhere you go. You see it in TikToks, YouTube, Instagram. People are doing unboxing. They started doing collectibles. Everybody's obsessing over it. But something weird has been happening lately. People are reporting strange experiences. Some say they feel watched. Others claim that they are moving by themselves. People are comparing Labubu to this demon, Pazuzu. This is an ancient demon made famous by the movie The Exorcist. So what's going on here? Labubu was created by Cassie Lung, a Hong Kong artist. He was inspired by Nordic mythology, and his goal was to create creatures that felt mystical, mysterious, but not evil, not demonic. Labubu was made to be a playful forest spirit, like a trickster, like Loki, but with his sharp teeth, wide grin, and weird eyes. It just giving out weird vibes. You know, the kind of vibes that make you feel uncomfortable, even if you don't know why. Now here is the crazy part. People online have started reporting bad luck, sleep paralysis, and creepy dreams right after purchasing a Labubu. Some say their pets act weird around it. Others say the doll's position changes by itself. It sounds crazy, I know. Enough people are saying it and it's starting to gain attention.
Because people are sharing their experience with this doll on social media, and some people are saying they feel like they're being watched, they're waking up with scratches, they're having terrifying nightmares, and one little girl was even caught on camera telling her mom that the eye color changed of the doll.
In ancient Mesopotamian mythology, Pazuzu was a demon of disease and misfortune. He had a terrifying face, wings, and brought bad energy with him. And while there's no actual connection between the two, the way Labubu looks like with the smile, his grin, his eyes are starting to make the comparison that way. In Iraq, they actually banned Labubu. They confiscated thousands of them, saying that the toys negatively affects children's behavior. I do have to mention they are calling out their marketing tactic, like blind box sales. Their excuse is they're encouraging gambling-like habits to kids. It's about protecting the children from aggressive marketing, but it still adds fuel to the fire. I also want to mention that there is a town in Mexico that actually are protesting Labubu, and if you see the photo here, it says that Labubus are the son of the devil, Lucifer. So there are also protesting Labubus there. So you can see that some places in the world, they are not liking Labubu because of either of evil spirits or just bad presence. So yeah, I was scrolling to Instagram. I did find this video that was interesting.
Look how cute this is. Take a look at this. Like all human beings are flawed. Angels don't have to be perfect. Just lean in and listen to the whisper. My friend, open this book and I'll show you every cloud has a silver lining. Brother, that is the most devilish thing I've ever heard in my life.
Okay, so let's break this down for a little bit. I asked ChatGPT and this is what they give me. Angels traditionally are considered pure or perfect in most religion teachings. Saying they don't have to be perfect blurs the line between good and flawed, almost suggesting that even spiritual beings can have darkness in them. Unsettling, especially on a children's collectible toy. I don't know, I guess ChatGPT is seeing something we're not seeing. Just lean in and listen to the whispers, my friend. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say about that. This one feels mysterious, but also a bit creepy. Listen to my whisper. Could be interpreted innocently, or it could sound like something whispering to you, which has an eerie undertone. It gives haunted object vibes. Okay, next one. Open this book. I will show you every cloud has a silver lining. Classic feel-good line, but in context with the rest, it reads like a setup. Almost like, let me show you the light, but first open the door. That could feel spiritual or manipulative, depending how it's delivered. So you really just have to ask yourself, is it just poetic branding, or are they playing with spiritual ideas? I want to believe that Labubus are just a toy, a weird, creepy looking toy that just blew up online, but the energy around it feels different. So is this just smart marketing, or is there something dark behind that?